Hello Central Oregon, happy Saturday to you. Here's what the skies look like pretty much across Central Oregon. This is our shot looking out to the northeast from our AWBREY Butte camera in Bend, but these mostly cloudy skies are very consistent across the high desert as we've had these isolated showers throughout the day. Today we have seen the sun peeking through at times, but this has been the majority of what our weather day has looked like so far, with that rain falling down. And look at the activity, not just in Central Oregon, but across the entire state, really hitting the Willamette Valley and the Cascades and more the western parts of the state very hard right now. But that rain is continuing to still move through Central Oregon through at least 9 o'clock, but likely 11 or 12 o'clock later on tonight. For more on that, we'll put our future track into motion here, stopping it at 9 o'clock later on tonight. Now, we do have some chances for more showers and thunderstorms, at least not really in Bend. Those thunderstorms are pretty much out of the question for now. By about 9 o'clock is when Bend and Redmond should be clear from any more chances of rain. At least that's about the earliest that we'll see that rain start to dwindle in those areas. But other places like Prineville and Madras especially will be hit by this rain and the storm system later on, and they actually have more chances of seeing thunderstorms as well, because this system is moving to our northeast, which is why Madras and Prineville will be seeing some more showers and thunderstorms later than most of other places here in Central Oregon. But then overnight tonight, things get pretty clear. We get partly cloudy skies for most of Central Oregon, and then waking up to those partly cloudy skies once again here on Sunday. And those conditions pretty much stick with us throughout the day. A few more clouds start to roll in by Sunday in the late afternoon. But here we are Sunday night, only a few clouds in sight, and then mostly clear skies when we're waking up on Monday. And that's pretty much what we see, at least in the early parts of the day, before clouds start to roll back in, bringing us partly cloudy skies Monday afternoon into the evening. And actually, Monday, looking at winds right now, Monday winds should be pretty calm. Tomorrow winds should be pretty calm. But right now, winds are blowing real breezy, 24 miles an hour in Redmond for your westerly winds, 18 in Prineville, 11 in Madras, 12 in Sisters, several places here in Central Oregon with double-digit wind speeds. And we can actually expect these wind speeds to stay fairly high for until we start to see that rain kind of going away. Wind speeds should be calm through the overnight. But until we get to that point, we could see gusts between 25-30 miles an hour still here in Central Oregon. Temperatures right now are mostly in the 50s. We do have some places that are in the 40s as it stands. Sun River, Lapine, both in the mid to upper 40s. Bend at 52. Sisters and Prineville, both in the low 50s as well. Same with Madras, Redmond, in the mid-50s there at 54 today. Redmond topped out at 65. And our forecast lows tonight, most of us will be in the 30s, again outside of Sun River and Lapine, the chilliest cities on the map here, 27 and 26 respectively. But some other places will still be fairly chilly, and that is Madras, Prineville, Redmond, Bend, and Sisters will all be at or below freezing later on tonight. And then tomorrow will be a few degrees below average, according to the Robertsfield Almanac in Redmond. 58 degrees is where we top out there. Same with Madras, low 50s in Sun River, mid 50s, Lapine, Bend, Sisters, and Prineville, high 50s in Madras, as I just said. But then another warm-up is in store, Central Oregon, and we'll start to see those the sun peek out once again. We don't have any more chances for rain, at least in the next 7 days. That's what it looks like for now. Got some great weather ahead in the low to upper 70s even by the end of the week. So watch out. After our day of rain, some good weather is ahead.